In this video, I'll show you how to add technical indicators on Webull charts. Start by signing into your Webull account using the mobile app or desktop platform. Next, search for the stock, ETF, or other asset you want to analyze and open its chart. After that, expand the chart to full screen if you want a larger workspace. Now look for the Indicators button on the chart toolbar and click or tap it. Next, browse the list of available technical indicators, such as Moving Average, MA, Exponential Moving Average, EMA, MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, VWAP, or Volume. After that, select the indicator you want to add, and it will immediately appear on the chart. Now, if you want to customize an indicator, click the settings or gear icon next to the indicator name and adjust options such as the period, colors, line style, or other parameters. Next, repeat the process to add additional indicators if you want to combine multiple technical analysis tools on the same chart. After that, review your chart to make sure the indicators are displayed the way you want and remove any that you no longer need. Finally, save your chart layout if that option is available so your preferred indicators will be ready the next time you open a chart. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add technical indicators on Webull charts. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.